Welcome back to MojoGrip. Mike here. Today we're going to check out more airplanes that you can buy for the same price of a luxury car. Whether you're brand new to flying or you've had your pilot's license and you're in the market, these are genuine airplanes to consider buying if you have $30,000 to about $100,000 sitting. And keep in mind, you don't have to pay all cash for any of these birds. You can literally finance them similar to the same way you finance a car. So let's jump right into it. The first airplane we're looking at, you guessed it, is the Cessna 150. Next is the Beechcraft Sundowner. Here's an aircraft that doesn't get mentioned often or ever. Next we have the Jabiru J230. This is actually a more modern airplane, and the J230 is considered a light sport. Next on the list is the Cessna 172M. This should come at no surprise. Last plane we're checking out today is the Diamond DA40. Almost never have we included this airplane in a top 5 list.